Welcome back to my channel. Here we are still working on the conversion of orthographic views into isometric view, and here we have these orthographic views given in first angle projection, because this is the front elevation and we have this to be left end elevation. In the front elevation we have that distance from here to here is 90 millimeters, and from here to this where we have this line is 40 millimeters. Okay, this is 95 millimeters, sorry. Okay, so from here to here is 40, and thickness from here to here is 15, and we have that from here to here is 95, and then we have that from here to here is 15, from here to here is 15, that is for this. From here to here is 20, from here to here is 20, from here to here is 20. In the end elevation we have that from here to here is 80, and then the thickness is 15 for this, and from here to here is 30. Alright, so the lowest point is indicated here with letter A, and we also have it here in the left end elevation. So we are going to put these two parts together to obtain the isometric view of this object. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to produce this L shape of the left end elevation first. Then from there we carry on and get the other part of the object. So let's start. So I'm going to draw a short horizontal line here, and then I will take my 30-degree set square, so laying it here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line in this direction, so draw a line in this direction here. Okay, then I will come to this point here and draw a short vertical line at this point. Okay, we have this, so I'm going to call this point, this is the where we have the lowest point. I will call it point A, so we need to indicate the lowest point here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that this 80 millimeters that we have from here to here, so we take it on this side. So this is 80 millimeters here, where you have 80 millimeters. So then at this point, this 15 from here to here, which is shown here in the front elevation, I will take 15 millimeters up. So this is 15 millimeters here. So I will come to this point here now. So I'll come to this point and draw a vertical line. I will draw a vertical line here. So it goes up like this. So I need to extend it. So because that line, that vertical line that we have there is 95 millimeters. So from here to here is 95 millimeters as shown in the front elevation. So I'm going to take a measurement of 95 millimeters from here up, 95 millimeters from here up. So this is 95 millimeters here. All right, so having taken this 95 millimeters, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to come up here. I'll come up here and draw a line in this direction, just a short line in this direction that can give us this 15 that we have here. So I'm going to take a measurement of 15 millimeters here. So here is 15 millimeters. So at this point here, I will draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line down here like this. Okay, we'll draw a vertical line down. So this 15 that we have here, I'm going to join it together with this point. I'm joining this 15 millimeters. So this 15 millimeters, I will join it together with this point here. So we have this now. So you can see that we have brought out the L shape of the front elevation. So having done this, the next that we are going to do is to work on how we can make it a complete orthographic block, because this is an isometric view of this L shape that we have in the orthographic view. So what we have to do is this. So we take the set square, and then we are going to draw a line from this point here. So we draw a line in this direction. So the line goes like this. Okay, and then we come to this point. We also draw a line from this point in this direction. So we come to this point also. So we come to this point and we draw a line, okay, in this direction. So we draw a line in this direction. Then we come to this point here. So we come up here. We also draw a line in this direction. Then we come there. So we draw a line in this direction. Alright, so then coming down here, we are going to take a measurement of 95 millimeters, as we had that from here to here is 95 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 95 millimeters from this point. From this point we take 95 millimeters. So this is 95 here. So what we are going to do here now is that we are going to draw a vertical line. From here up, we draw a vertical line to touch this line. And then from here, so we draw a line. From here, we draw a line. From this point, we draw a line to touch this, okay? And then we draw a line. So we draw a line. We draw a line from this point. From this point, we draw a line up here like this. And then, so we come to this point also. We draw a line. So we draw a line from this point to touch this line. So we have this now. Okay, so we now need to put these features. So we need to put these features. We need to put them here. Okay, so what we are going to do is this, as you can see here. So for this web that we have here, so its thickness is 15. Then we have to take 40 from here to here. I will also take 40 from here to here. Okay, but I want us, let's work on this part first. Let's work on this part first, as we have that from here to here is 20 and from here to here is 20. So we have to do it here. So we take 20, so we come onto this line. Okay, we take 20 down. Okay, then we come to this side. We also take 20 from here to here. So we are going to join these 2 points and join them together like this. Okay, all right. So then we also come to this side. We take 20 again. So we take 20 from here. So this is 20. Okay, here we have 20, and on this line we take 20. We take 20 from here down. Okay, this is 20, and then we join this point together. So we join these 2 points together like this, and then I will now take the 30-degree set square. So take the 30-degree set square. I'm going to draw this line from here to here. Then we come up here. We also draw a line from this point here like this, and then so we join these 2 points. We join them together like this. So we have this like this. Okay, then coming up here, so we also draw this line. So draw a line from here to touch this. So that is what we are going to have there. So we have produced this feature that we have up here for this block, and then now we need to work on this web. Okay, as we have here that we need to take this 15 from this point here. We take 15 millimeters down. So let's do that, and the total from here to here. So if what we have from here to here is 95, okay, 95, and we already have from here to here to be 20, from here to here is 20, so that's 40 from 95, that gives us 55. It means that from here to here is 55 millimeters. Okay, so okay, so even without taking it, you can see that this line is in line with this, and this also is in line with this. So all I have to do is to come to this point here. I'll just come to this point and take and then I will draw a vertical line down here, and then coming to this point here, I will also draw a vertical line down. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line. So I will not draw the line completely, because we look at what we have here. So this line that we have here is in line with this line like this. So all I have to do is to come to this point here and draw a line from here to here. Okay, then I will now take 15 down, as the thickness from here to here is 15. I will take 15 millimeters down, so 15 millimeters down. So coming to this point, this is 15 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a line. So from this point, okay, just let me draw it. It's like I don't need to draw a shaft. So then I'm going to transfer this. So this will go forward. So this will go forward like this. Okay, it goes forward like this, and then I'll come here. I'll also take it. So draw this line. So draw it forward like this. Okay, so we take a measurement. I need to extend this like this. So we take a measurement of 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters, as we have that. I'll look at this. From here to here is 30 millimeters. That is the length of this part. So we take 30 millimeters forward. So this is 30 millimeters here. Here we have 30 millimeters. So I'm going to transfer this point. I will transfer it here like this, okay. Then coming to this point here, I will take a vertical line down, take a vertical line down here, and then here also I will take a vertical line down. So this 15 that we have taken here, so I'm going to transfer it here, so joining it with this line, and then I will also take this one from here, so I transfer it here like this. So we have produced this the shape that we have here now. So what we have to do now is that we need to come to this line. We need to come to this line here. So on this line from this point, I will take a measurement of 40, okay. So and then coming to this end. So the reason why I'm taking 40 is that we are shown here that from here to here is 40, and from here to here will also be 40, okay. So I will come to this side here and also take a measurement of 40 millimeters, okay. So we have this now. So what I'm going to do now is that if you look at the web, it starts from here and stops on this line. That's on this line here. So all I have to do is to draw a line. So from here, so I'm going to make it a thick line at once by drawing the line from this point, and it goes like this to touch this line, okay. For this one, so for this one, I'm not going to draw it. I'll just mark this point. So mark this point, mark it here like this, okay. So we have this. So I will come to this point here, okay. Coming to this point, I will draw a vertical line like this to make it a thick line at once, okay. Then so what I have here now, so I need to come to the middle. So if you look at this now, I need to come to the middle of this, okay. You can see the thickness of the web is in the middle of this. So I need to come to the center of this. So to the center of this, as you know that from this one is 55, oh sorry, okay. So we have this. All right, so what I'm seeing here is 50. Okay, so I'll just break it to 2. So this is breaking it to 2. Then okay, that 15 now we have, that is 7.5. That's 7.5. So the 7.5, so I'll just mark it here, and then so this makes it 15, okay. I'm looking at this distance. Okay, so I'll join it. So joining these 2 points together, okay. Then I'll also join these 2 points together like this. What do we have here? It should be 15, okay. This is less than 15. It should be 15, so this is 15 here, okay. So I'll join these 2 points together. So join these 2 points together like this, okay. So this is what we have. All right, so we have this now, okay. So then we have completed the object. So what we just need to do is to bring out the feasible outlines and edges. So this line should be made a thick line like this, and this line too should be made a thick line from here to here, okay. Then for this line, so make this a thick line from here to here, and then so coming here, so also make this a thick line from here to here, and this also is a thick line from here to here, and then we also make this a thick line from here to here, and then coming to this point here, we have to make this a thick line from here to here, and then this line also should be made a thick line from here to here. All right, so then let's work on the vertical. From this point down, we make it a thick line, and also make this also a thick line from here to here, okay. Then this line, this short line, should be made a thick line, and this line also will make it a thick line from here to here. So this line should be made a thick line from here to here, and then so this short line should be made a thick line from here to here. All right, so we have this now. So other ones that we have, so we have this line, and then this line should be made a thick line. So coming to this side here, we are going to draw this, so make it a thick line, and this also will make it a thick line from here to this end here, and then so here also, so make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, then this there's a vertical line here that we need to make it a thick line. Okay, so other things that we have here, so this line, let me make it more visible as we have it here. Okay, so this line also, let's make it more visible. Then for this one, so make it a thick line from here to here, and this also, so make it a thick line from here to here. This line should be made a thick line from here to here. Okay, and then so this line, so we need to make it a thick line from here to here. Then we also make this a thick line from here to here, and this should also be made a thick line from here to here. All right, so this line is a non-isometric line, so let's make it more visible, and then we also make this a thick line. Okay, then this line should be made a thick line from here to this end. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have completed the isometric view, whose orthographic views are given as we have here. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When you practice, become a master at this work. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.